How to log in Amazon Prime on app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can log into Amazon Prime on your app. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. In order to log in Amazon Prime on app, now whether you're talking about Amazon or Amazon Prime Video, the process to log in on both of these services is the same. So if you're using the Amazon app, you can open it up, you can choose your country settings here and tap the done button to sign in. But if you want to log into Prime Video, that's also absolutely possible. Just open the Prime Video application here and just type in the email or phone number associated with your Amazon account, then tap on the continue button. On the next page, type in your password and tap on sign in. If it asks you for verification, make sure you verify your account details as well. And this way you can log into Amazon Prime on app. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.